Hi guys, CAT notification. Hi guys, CAT notification is expected to be out on August 2nd. It is delayed by 1 week. So August 2nd we are expecting in new newspaper everywhere the complete information about the CAT exam. So are you ready for that? Be prepared for that. That's coming. So I pick it up today in the 12 noon show. So we'll talk about how to plan my studies, how to do everything for August 2. Once the dates are out, we'll become obviously more active. So from today, we've got exactly 18 weeks remaining for the CAT exam and 32 weeks remaining for the CET exam. So let's look at the timetable. So I don't want to focus on anything else. If you can guys complete this weekly timetable, it's more than sufficient. So today we are launching our new batch. So in case you want to join our program, you can join us from 6 p.m. We're introducing the batch. And these are the topics I want you to cover up for this week. Statement assumption. This is statement assumptions. Para jumble, games and tournament, para का completion games and tournament, cubic equations and modulus for the CAT students, CET वालों को छुट्टी है, time and work, topic wise test and full mock. If you can cover up this many topics for the week, it's more than sufficient for all the exams. So we are also covering up the non-CAT exam here as well. So obviously CAT and non-CAT exam, both the exam goes hand in hand. Yep. So time and work is going to main topic along with the modulus and cubic equation. Now cubic equation and modulus combined is usually one question in the CAT exam. So we can focus on this. So those who joined CET, we normally have a 1 p.m. practice class, 7 p.m. lecture and 9:30 test. So every day 9:30 we take a test for every topic. Okay, so this is the timetable for the week. And in case you have joined us for the books or mocks, you can just join this Telegram link. We are going to conduct the daily test there. The link will be posted there every day for the daily test. Okay, so that you can cover the test. And test is on the topic we do today. So whatever topic you have done, it will be posted there. So how to start my plan for overall, how to start my day, how to plan your start your quant preparation, verbal preparation, DL or logic, complete details are given here on this link. Please check out the link. Yeah, so that's your week's timetable for this week. Yeah, 18 weeks are remaining guys. Abhi tum serious ho jao yaar. This is the right time you become serious about your CAT preparation and CET preparation. Alright, all the best.